It was a hot afternoon. The sun was burning, and everything felt still. On the side of the road, a tiny bird lay on the ground, unable to fly. Its wings were weak, its eyes slowly closing. People passed by, but no one stopped until one girl noticed. She gently picked up the fragile bird. It was so light, barely breathing. Quickly, she gave it a few drops of water and placed it in the shade. Minutes passed. The bird slowly opened its eyes. A small movement, then another. Hope was coming back. The girl smiled, watching closely, and suddenly, the tiny bird flapped its wings, and flew away. Free again, before disappearing into the sky. It circled once above her, as if saying, "Thank you. Kindness can bring life back, even in the smallest creatures."